War of words there between BJP and TMC only gets bitter ahead of the Bengal Assembly polls. UP Minister Anand Swarup Shukla has now called Mamata Banerjee a Bangladeshi who works on the direction of Bangladeshi Islamist terrorists. He also accused Mamata Banerjee of not believing in Indianness and disrespects Hindu god and goddesses. UP Minister further added that Mamata gives citizenship to Rohingya and Bangladeshi Muslims. He even called her nation's biggest threat. West Bengal Assembly polls are scheduled for later this year.
ममता बनर्जी पूरी तरीके से बांग्लादेशी हो गई हैं। ममता बनर्जी का भारतीयता में, भारतीय संघ में कोई विश्वास नहीं है। जो इस्लामिक आतंकवादी हैं बांग्लादेश के, उनके इशारे पर वो काम कर रही हैं। रोहिंग्या मुसलमानों को नागरिकता देना, बांग्लादेशी मुसलमानों को नागरिकता देना और अपने वहाँ पर जो हिंदू देवी देवता हैं उनको अपमानित करना, मंदिरों को तोड़वाना, हमारे पर्वों को नहीं मनाने देना, सबसे बड़ी खतरा आज देश के लिए ममता बनर्जी हो गई हैं, जिसका परिणाम उनके साथ के लोग उनका साथ छोड़ करके जा रहे हैं।
वो एक राज्य की निर्वाचित मुख्यमंत्री है 10 साल से। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की सरकार में रेल जैसे महत्वपूर्ण मंत्रालय की मंत्री नहीं, कई बार सांसद रही। अब एक आदमी यहाँ बैठ के उत्तर प्रदेश में कोई मंत्री उनके बारे में अपमानजनक टिप्पणी करे, बांग्लादेशी बता दे, उनके नागरिकता पर प्रश्न चिन्ह लगा दे, उनकी निष्ठा पर प्रश्न चिन्ह लगा दे, तो वो अपमान कर रहा है मुख्यमंत्री के संवैधानिक पद का।
Indrajit joining us for that. Indrajit, here a very hard-hitting statement there by UP Minister calling Mamata Banerjee anti-national to the point that she works at the behest of Islamist terrorists. Take us through the reactions of the TMC there.
Well, we are yet to get a formal reaction from the Trinamool Congress over this comment, but I can easily say that such comments are only going to play into the hands of the Trinamool Congress, which at this point in time is hitting out at the BJP, saying it's a party of outsiders and leaders from outside the state. Leaders from states like UP and other places are being flown down to West Bengal for party campaigning. We've already seen Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, being shown black flags in protest when he is visiting West Bengal. So this does not come in as a surprise that the BJP rank and file from other states also are hitting out at West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee at a time when Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool Congress is continuously hitting back at the BJP, saying it's a party of outsiders and outsiders are being brought into West Bengal to snatch political power from the state.
Right. Thank you very much, Indrajit, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.